This is our latest arrival from London. Cracked rib. The Sumo Ninja, you call them?
It's a sumo, and we're going to change it to a ninja. It weighs more than a sumo wrestler. And when we finish with it, it'll be faster and more deadly than a ninja.
Show me the front. Yeah, it has a lot of stickiness right there. Those pegs too, when I try to rotate them.
That's cool.
They're not fitted very well.
Yeah. This is an old German.
Where was it?
Cello.
1 centimeter thick. Oh.
It's supposed to be 6.5 to 7 here, and around 3.5. And right now it's like 6 or 7. This is a little bit small. This is a little small. The neck is small for its time when it was made, but this is a nice neck now. The cellists like the neck small, especially in Spain, where people have smaller hands. So they really like the smaller neck. The fingerboard is a little bit thin here. We may have to put a new fingerboard on it because it's quite thin.
Okay.
And interestingly, the hole back here for the end pin is very small. That's much smaller than normal. So this is probably around World War I. That would be my guess. But nice spruce top that has kind of a real swirl to it. See the swirl right here? It's kind of interesting. And it's not matched. This is probably a different piece here than here, because there's no swirl here. But on this side there is a swirl.
The trees sometimes have swirl on one side, not the other.
But if you take it from a wedge, that this piece and this piece are very close together in the wedge. So if there's a swirl here, normally there'd be a swirl there also. But the grain quality, the venatura here, is different from the venatura over here. And that does not detract from its value. That's
so let the
quite
magic
normal.
begin.
Yeah, it's quite normal.